Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Exodus wallet account. First, download the Exodus application from their official website, ensuring you get it from the official source to avoid fake versions. Next, choose the version that suits you best, whether it's for your desktop, mobile device, or as a browser extension. Once downloaded, install the application like any other program. Finally, open the Exodus app and select the Create New Wallet option to start your setup process. After creating your new wallet, the first crucial step is to set a strong, unique password. This password should combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Next, Exodus will present you with a 12-word secret recovery phrase. It is absolutely vital to write these words down on paper, in the correct order, and store them in a secure, offline location. Never save it digitally. You will then be asked to confirm your recovery phrase by re-entering some of the words to ensure you have recorded it accurately. To further secure your Exodus wallet, enable the biometric lock feature on your mobile app for convenient yet protected access. It's also important to regularly update your Exodus application and your device's operating system to benefit from the latest security enhancements. For larger holdings, consider pairing your Exodus wallet with a hardware wallet, like a Trezor, to keep your private keys offline. Always be cautious of phishing attempts. Remember, Exodus will never ask for your secret recovery phrase or private keys. With your Exodus wallet set up, you can now easily send and receive over 270 cryptocurrencies. The wallet also features a convenient in-app exchange, allowing you to swap one digital asset for another without leaving the application. And speaking of convenience, if you love to read, check out the link in the description for a great deal on a new e-reader, along with other fantastic offers. Finally, use the built-in portfolio tracker to monitor the performance and value of your diverse crypto holdings across different assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.